Hey, I'm Marty from Spring Ahead Media Solutions. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add a contact to the middle of an automation. If you ask Mailchimp, or if you asked me until not too long ago, I would have told you that there was no way to do it. You always have to start at the top, but there is a workaround, so we're going to do it together. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I put out helpful videos all the time. Sign up for my email list so I can get in touch. And when you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and a thank you in the comments just so that other people can find it too. Okay, let me jump right in here. This is an automation that I currently have running from another video. So people sign in through a landing page, get a tag, and get sent an email. You'll see 20 people have received this email, and then they've left the automation. So if I want to add a second email here, let's see, I'm going to pause this and set that up. So I've extended my automation, but these 20 people are already out of it. And so traditionally, the only way to get them back in is through the top, and I don't want them getting this email again. Okay, the first thing that we need to do is head over to settings and make it so that they can re-enter the automation. But again, we don't want them going to the first email. So I'm going to use an if-else block right up here at the top. With this if-else block, I'm going to sort for everyone who has received this email so that if they have not received it, they'll get it. And if they have received it, they're going to go to no, and then they're going to move to another path, and they're going to jump down here to get the second email. So to do that, I'm going to go to campaign interactions, was not sent, and find my first email. Now there could be other factors here that you're sorting for to decide where they skip to in your automation. Right? Maybe it's email number 6 that you're going underneath. Or maybe you're sorting for if they bought something, they're going to skip that first email and go to the second one. Either way, this is how you'll do it. There we go. So if they have not been sent this one, they go to yes. If they have been sent it, they go to no, and they hop down here. So now how are we going to get the people back in here? For this automation, I have the trigger as that they're tagged Outlook. They already have the tag, so I could remove it and add it back in again, but I think I would more likely create a second trigger. If you have questions about what triggers to use, I have a video specifically about that. In this case, I actually don't need an ongoing reason for them to come in here again, so I would turn this on and add them manually. Over here under settings, we can go down to manually add contact. Again, this is just for those 20, because from here on, anyone who enters new will automatically get the 2 emails. I'm only adding them in the middle this one time. So manual add, and I would use was sent, right? Anyone who was sent that first one, I want them to hop back in, get sorted. They'll get sorted that they were sent it, and then they'll get down here and get number 2. Cool, huh? Well, there we go. I hope that helped you out, saved you a ton of time from having to duplicate automations and delete the first emails and then try to only add the people that didn't get the first ones. I know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Sign up for my email list so I can continue to help you, and I will see you around.